Happy morning, students. Nowadays, you are attending your online classes, right? And you must be knowing the difference between the real school and the school which you have at your home these days. What is the difference? Can you tell me? Obviously, you cannot because this is a video lesson. You cannot talk to me. You have to simply listen to me. That means a passive listening. Here, when I teach you, then you are simply listening. The chapter which I am going to start, that is of class 9th today, and that is the fun they had. In this chapter, you will see two characters. One is Tommy, and the second one, which is the main character, that is Margie. She is 11-year-old and he is 13-year-old. And these are the children of future era. That means 2157. Presently, which year is running? 2020. That means nearly 137 years ahead. That is the future, which the author is describing here. That probably they will be having a school just near to their bedroom. That means they will have a telebook, they will sit on that and they will read, they will listen to the lessons of the teachers, they will read from the telebook, and even they will submit their assignment, homework and test papers in the slot of that telebook itself. Do you find such teaching and learning process as interesting? Not at all. Why? Because when you come to the real school with your friends in a school bus, it is a time of pleasure. When you come to school, then you sit with your classmates, you make several friends, some of them are your best friends as well. Then the teacher comes, you focus on the look of the teacher, right? You see the dress of the teacher, the face of the teacher. Some teachers are beautiful, some teachers are handsome, some teachers are smart, some teachers are very good for you, some teachers are devilish for you. Okay, some teachers' lessons are very interesting for you, some teachers are really boring for you. So this is what you observe in your live lessons in your real school. Okay, and you talk to the classmates. When the teacher is teaching, he is asking the queries, and when you know the answer, you tell directly. When you don't know, you discuss with your classmates. This makes your lesson, your classes very much interesting. And here in this account, where Tommy is there, where Margie is also there, what type of classes they are in, what type of schools they have at their home, that is very much important to know. Tommy, he found the real book. That is the first thing which is mentioned in the lesson. He informs Margie that today I found a real book. Okay, now what is the difference between the real book and a telebook? Real book, it contains pages, text. And it is not permanent. As you know, this is the real book. Okay. After some years, it will be torn and completely withered. So, that time we will have to throw it. There is no other option for that. We have to throw or it will be destroyed. So, it is not permanent book. And what is the telebook? Here you will not find any page. Instead of that, you will see a screen. Okay. And on that screen, the text will be there. And this text will be moving. As you see on laptop, computer, mobile, the texts are moving. And in real book, the text is stable. It is not moving. It is permanently fixed on that particular page. Okay, so this is the difference between real book and telebook. So when Tommy informed Margie that I found a real book, Now from where Tommy got that real book? He found it from the grandfather. That means the grandfather was in the old era and he was studying in the real school. So he must have informed Tommy about the pleasure which he had in his real school. Okay, now Tommy and Margie, they both are talking, and in this conversation we find Tommy as a very smart, proud boy showing his pleasure that he knows everything about the real school, and he feels pride, he feels kind of overconfidence, you can say, and he wants to show his attitude that I will not tell you much about my real school, about the real school which I know. And Margie, she is very much interesting to know about the real school. What is the process of homework submission and test papers in Telebook? There is a slot where the child will submit the homework assignment, and even he will appear his test on screen, and just after the test he is getting the marks. That means the teacher is sending the result immediately. Do you find it a good process? Not at all, because after submission of the test papers you relax, okay, and after that you wait for your marks. When the teacher is with the bunch of answer sheets, that day you are very much curious to know your marks. Even you are curious to know the marks of the other students, of your classmates, the best friends, the student whom you had a fight recently. Everyone's marks you want to know. Okay, so this process is also very much interesting when you are attending a real school. But when you are attending the lessons from a telebook, then how it will be? Completely boring process that you have submitted and at the same moment you got your marks. There is no excitement, no curiosity, no interest in that type of education. Okay, so here this Tommy, he is discussing about the real book with Margie, and we find that Tommy is showing a kind of attitude to Margie that how much I know about the real book, about the real school, and how little you know about these types of school. But at the same time, the mother called Margie because it was the time for her school, and she didn't want to go, because here we find that Margie got interest in the real book and real schools. But as the mother's instruction was there that if you attend your classes regularly, then it increases your learnings. So she had to go and attend the school. What is the school? Her school is near her bedroom. She sits in front of a telebook and she reads the text given. She submits the homework, and the same time, if there is any test paper, she has to appear the test, and just after that she gets her result. Now the mother is not happy with Margie these days. Why? What is the reason for that? Because she was getting very low result in the subject geography. So here I tell you what were the subjects which these two children were studying, Tommy and Margie. Margie studied geography and arithmetic. Arithmetic is one of the branches of mathematics. And Tommy attended the lessons of history and arithmetics. Okay, so these are the subjects which they are studying from telebook. And the result, the progress report of Margie was very low in the subject of geography, which disappointed the mother a lot. The slot of geography, it was geared with somewhat quick speed, faster speed, which this child was not able to cope up. Okay, that means the slot of geography was having a high speed, and that was not appropriate for the age level age group of Margie. Margie is 11-year-old and she is not able to go with the same speed of geography slot. That's why she was not able to understand and to submit the test papers properly, and that resulted in her low marks. So that is the reason which the county inspector told the mother, and even he added that this is not the fault of the child. This is the fault of the school, and now it is adjusted on the level which Margie would be able to go with. So that was the solution made to the school which was showing low result for Margie. Now what did the mother do? She called the county inspector. Who? County inspector. And now she wants to know the reason. Now see, when the county inspector came to the house, then he patted Margie. He smiled at Margie. Margie was not happy. Okay, because today what will be the result? What will be the reason of her low progress that was about to come? And this county inspector, he gave her an apple and took his tally book aside, his school aside. वो उसकी स्कूल को साइड में ले गया. Okay, is it possible? Can you take your school somewhere? No. So this is what that school is transitory. It can be taken. It can be transferred from one place to another place. That means it is movable, portable. Okay, and here this county inspector, he separated the parts. He was having a box in which all the tools were there, wires were there. Here the author explains the look of the teacher, even that he was with the red face. So when he opened the box, some of the tools he took out and separated the parts of the school. Margie is very happy that he will not be able to assemble it. But soon after, she notices that the county inspector, he reassembled all the parts and he found the reason as well. What is the reason of her low result in the subject of geography? Now, as we know that the mother has called Margie and she is attending the school at present. So, though she is attending the lesson, she is submitting the homework, but somewhere her mind is thinking something else. What would she be thinking? What is the contemplation going on? Sometimes we attend the lessons, but our mind is somewhere else, even in the real school. Okay, so here when she is attending the tally book, she is attending the classes from the mechanical teacher. Mechanical teacher means the teacher who is there in the computer or the tally book. He is not the real man, real woman. He is a mechanical teacher who is giving the lessons. So that moment, she is thinking something else. What is that? Here, she is thinking that how the kids of the neighborhood, they are going together to the school. Okay, how they are learning together in the classroom. What type of teachers are there? How much fun it would be in the real school. Everything, whichever I discussed with you in this lesson, these all pleasures, these all funs are coming to her mind, and she's very much eager, she's very much interested to join such school. Okay, so here she is going on thinking about the school. In this lesson, you will find several new words which are given here at the corners, and these words you must learn because these are the new words and it will enhance your vocabulary. So at the moment when she is attending the class in the last scene, that moment the very first thing was submit your homework, and she submitted it. Now in what form she submitted the homework, that is very much important to know. When she was 6-year-old, that moment, but in that age, she was taught punch codes. That means she had to submit the homework in the form of punch codes. Okay, and then the test papers, and the result came just after. And in this present lesson, today she is taking the classes of arithmetic and the topic is fractions. But today the class is not interesting for her. Why? Because today she had come to know about the real school and the mechanical teacher, and she is very much disappointed. She is thinking that how much fun the grandfather time had, and what is the time for we people. As you all students are taking your online classes today, you know very well that how interesting it was when you are coming to the school, when you are talking to your friends, when you are talking to the teachers. And even the scoldings by the teacher, by the principal was also interesting sometimes, right? So that fun has disappeared in this time when they are in 2157. That fun of the school had disappeared. Okay, that's why the title is given the fun they had. That shows the past. And today that fun is not at all anywhere.